Hi, how are you? Let's draw a Muslim people saying the prayer. So we're going to draw the details in a symbolic pattern. So this is going to be the head, and you can see the hairs. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, and this is going to be the neckline. Okay, and we're going to draw the hand on the side. And as you know, for the prayer, the hands is going to be the upward directions. So it's going to be here, and this is the collar at the end of the hands, and you can see the fingers drawing of the hands here. Okay, awesome. And this is the extensions of the drawing. Okay, and other hands on the other side, you can see. Okay, the wrinkles of the hands here. So it's something like the sketch and the pencil drawing. Okay, and the hands coming up here. And the color you can see. Okay, all right, so there's the hands is on the air for saying the prayers, and you can see the details of the hair on the top. Okay. And the body, so wearing a very soft dress and the nice and simple dress, and just there's the details of the dress. You can see here it's little bit loose so that people can sit and stand and move for the prayers very comfortably. Okay, and there's the positions, you can see the sitting positions here. Okay, and end of the dress, you can see the legs here, two legs. Okay, and here I'm going to draw the book, the Holy Quran is going to be here. Okay, so it's on something like a stand. The book is on the stand, and that's like the open positions. Okay, all right, and on the other side of the stands, you can see here. Awesome. Just put some straight lines on the ground. So the whole drawing, you can see it has some pencil and pen effect, something like the sketch, but almost it's a line drawing. We can see the figures, but in some abstract way. That's the different types of drawing, but looks good. Actually, you can see the whole flavor, the nice presentations, and this is also a simple style of drawing. So lots of lines, all these lines defines the whole figure and the symbol. Okay, so the whole drawing, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.